just at the beginning.
The box.
Now do you want to do the unboxing?
The controller on the back side. You don't really tape it in, so you have to be careful. It looks not bad at all. I don't know how this lighting is. So, spare propeller, charger, and now actual unboxing. Corsair. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. The videos on YouTube can't really, they never really do it justice for the size and just the quality of the model itself. You can't hardly see that it's styrofoam and lightweight, and just aesthetics are amazing. The price point where I got it from Banggood, and I'm happy with the product. I wasn't happy with the process, the whole thing. I guess I'm just impatient. Great product. This is the end of the unboxing. Please stand by for flight videos, but I don't know if you can hear in the background. It was beautiful this morning, but the wind just took off this afternoon, and I don't think I want to risk it with my background and crashes. So there we have it, the unboxing of the F4-U Corsair, and loving it so far, and we'll update. Thank you. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you. A shout out to the Petrincic